got myself back a rebuilt crank. Sent it out to Charlie over at Triple Cranks over in Maryland. So, yeah, I messed up. I don't remember which end, but one end, and then the center rod also started spinning rough. One of the end ones, can't remember which end, was real messed up, but sent it out. Here's the best price, too. Out of everyone, I think there were like 4 people. He definitely had the best price compared to anyone else, but I gotta say, that's not a red flag. He does good work, and everyone else seems to agree. I could have got new rods, but didn't feel the need. He repressed everything. New bearings. I went with full contact rubber seals, but there was one other type of seal. I can't remember what it was called, but it just stuck with the stock full rubber contact seals. Non-ceramic bearings, which is an upgrade he can do. But I stuck with stock because this isn't a drag racing bike. This is just more of a rider for me. He could do new rods, but instead he has an option for balancing the stock rods that are already on there. So I see he ground parts of the bottom of the rod there. He'll grind off. I don't know if you can see that very well. Kind of the tops of the rods. I had a little bit of marring on the end of the shaft here. He took care of that. He uses, I think it was KOYO bearings, but they're a nice Japanese bearing. It's been very good. You also have these, let me get a screwdriver here. These plugs here. Almost every single one of them on my crankshaft was loose and chucking back and forth inside these plates here. And I went through, looks like, I don't know if they're replaced or he probably just kind of pressed into the existing ones that were in there, but there's no chuck anymore. They're nice and solid in there now. No issues there, because I was worried about, they were so loose, I was worried one was just gonna like pop outwards, or in, maybe even possibly hit a rod, but I don't have to worry about that anymore. Everything here is just pressed very, very well. Perfect amount of play. Everything looks good to me. It's very, very clean looking. He did a very good job. So, if you ever need a rebuilt crank, go hit up Charlie. He does good work, and his reviews definitely agree with that. So, hit him up. Good price and good work. You can't go wrong.